What's up, guys? This your boy Nick 901 Art, and today I'm gonna be doing a pair of custom Nikes, Paul George 4s, just some basketball shoes, and I'm thinking of going with like an Akatsuki theme. I'm a big Naruto fan, so I'm looking into maybe doing some of that. I don't know, just playing. Really, that's all I'm really doing on these shoes. So, just gonna try to sit back, have a good time, and see what I can do with these shoes. All right.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. 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 Music licensing reimagined.
What's up, guys? Finally done playing. It took me about a good 4 or 5 hours to do those shoes. So I'm satisfied with the way it turned out. I feel like it's certain areas I could have did better. But anybody else got any ideas, any tips? I'm all ears. But let me know how y'all feel about the video. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to. Whatever's your choice. But just let me know how you feel about it. Any questions, any opinions, anything that you feel like that I need to know about it. I'm all ears. All right, so let me know what y'all guys want to see in the next video and get back with me.